Hello, my name is Muhammad Dodd, and I am a passionate English teacher dedicated to helping students learn English from the very beginning with clarity and confidence. I specialize in teaching English grammar, vocabulary, speaking, listening, and reading skills in a simple and engaging way, so learners of all ages can enjoy the process. My teaching style is practical, interactive, and beginner-friendly, with real-life examples and step-by-step guidance. Over the years, I have worked with students from different backgrounds and levels, helping them improve their speaking fluency, writing skills, and confidence in English communication. I believe that anyone can learn English if taught with patience, encouragement, and the right techniques. Today we will discuss pronouns. Basically, pronouns are words we use instead of nouns to avoid repeating the same name again and again. This table explains personal pronouns in English with their meanings and examples. It shows how we use words like I, you, he, she, it, we, and they to replace names. Each pronoun refers to a person, animal, or thing depending on the context. The examples make it easy to understand how pronouns are used in sentences. This table shows how different pronouns use the correct form of the verb, to be. For example, I always goes with am, while he, she, it use is. The pronouns you, we, they are paired with are. The examples help us see how to be changes according to the subject. In positive sentences, we use the structure subject plus am, is, are plus complement. For example, I am a student shows who I am. We say, she is a teacher to describe her job. And, we are friends tells about our relationship. In negative sentences, we add not after am, is, or are. For example, I am not tired shows a negative feeling. We say, he is not busy to show he is free. And, they are not at school tells us where they are not. Sometimes students make mistakes with the verb to be. For example, we should say asterisk I am happy, not I is happy. We say she is a teacher, not she are a teacher. Light bulb always match the pronoun with the correct form of am, is, or are. In part A, you fill in the blanks. I am a teacher. She is my friend. They are at home. We are not busy. Are you happy? In part B, we change sentences into questions. He is a doctor, right pointing arrow, is he a doctor? I am ready, right pointing arrow, am I ready? This practice will help you use the verb to be correctly in both sentences and questions. Here are the answers to the practice section. Check them carefully and compare with your own work. Here is a simple real-life dialogue using am and are. Ali introduces himself, and Sarah also tells who she is. They ask and answer questions like, are you a student? And I am a teacher. This shows how we use the verb to be in everyday conversations. Our target is to reach 1,000 likes and 1,000 subscribers on this video. With your support, we can achieve this goal and bring you more lessons like this. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe and like the video.